Hi dear ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So dear ladies and girls, I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of floral printed style silk chiffon fabric long maxi style dresses for ladies and girls. So if you love to wear all over print style dresses, if you love to wear gown style dresses, maxi style dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful and very useful for you. In this video, you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of long dresses, chiffon fabric prints, silk fabric styles, very beautiful collection, very beautiful designs, most demanding and trending ideas for these seasons. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these styles of dresses. If you love to wear gown styles, if you love to wear maxi styles, if you love to wear chiffon fabric, silk fabric, so this video is really going to be helpful for you. You will be find out A-line style maxi, you will be find out ruffleback styles, frill styles, rail styles, hem style maxi dresses within different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, amazing prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of long dresses. I just thought to bring these styles of dresses for you. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these styles and these designs of dresses just like you like my other videos. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. You will carry these styles of dresses for your party wears, for your evening wears, formal wears. Very beautiful designs are coming up next in this video, so must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. If you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of chiffon fabric long dresses, so please dear ladies, dear girls, do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs. And please do like my video. If you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of long styles, long dresses, long maxi style dresses and gown style dresses within chiffon fabric. Which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my contents, about my channel. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas and for more designs. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel about women fashions and trending fashions. So you will be find out mother of the bride dresses, maxi style dresses, floral dresses, midi dresses, bodycon style dresses, gown style dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so you will enjoy those videos, you will enjoy those ideas. Those videos will also be useful and helpful for you, so must watch video and visit on my channel for more amazing ideas. So as you can see, different and unique styles of dresses for your party wears, for your formal wears, for your evening wears. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so, dear ladies and girls, you will love these too, so must watch video till the end. And don't forget to tell me in the comment section about my videos. Don't forget to share your opinions. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.